Alright, good morning. Well, here we go. Here's one of many boxes. Shall we have a look inside? Return to the end of the line. Here we go. Of course, I'll be editing this video because it'll be too long otherwise. And the excitement of opening a box isn't always the same for everyone. But you need to be careful. I use Mixem as my publishing partners and they're always carefully packed. So here we go. First look. First look. Hot off the press. Return to the end of the line. Is this yours? Could this be your copy? If you bought it, this is your copy. If you haven't, could be your copy. Go to my crowdfunding site now. Back cover, front cover. Inside, beautifully black to complement the front. I'll post again another video, a look inside. But for now, thank you for watching. See you soon. Hoil. Bye.